Hello, happy Wednesday. So this week we're gonna walk you through, the workflow which we have built for inbound leads. Before we get started, two data points, which kind of felt we really need to build this. One, of all the customers and prospects we spoke with, almost close to 80 to 83% of the inbound leads land up staying in the pipe, which makes the pipe loaded and certain time just doesn't convert or kind of move on to the next phase. Second problem, on an average we saw close to 18 to 42 hours wait time from the time there's an inbound lead comes in and then email goes to the potential buyer, the lead. And most of the times, even the ones who are getting that email gets a very generic email. The last few weeks, I opted in for multiple products and went in, submitted an inbound lead, and some of them, almost close to 50%, I've still not got an email yet. And the remaining 50% you got it, but technically close to a few days later. So that's a big problem. And that's where the biggest problem we wanted to solve for. So to do that, what we did on the platform, we built in something called as the workflow, and obviously we're going to be pretty clear here. Just gonna make my view a little bit small. Okay, perfect. So if you were to see there, we kind of build this workflow in a manner that it's easy for customers to set it up. So in this case, if I just go here and I click on this, you can able to see like there's a workflow which has been built here, which is primarily across multiple stages. The first one is, let's say for example, you need to configure your CRM, right? So in this case, either you can use our pixels and enable it on your form submission, and then all the leads will automatically flow in, and that's what we've done. If not, you can use products like HubSpot, Salesforce, any of the other CRMs to activate it. So there are a few quick ways which you can able to build right into the platform. That's step one. And then a step two, if you were to see here, I'm just going to go a bit here, where you could able to be looking at personalized video. So in this section, what you can do is basically you would be looking at saying that, okay, I wanted to assign a video that should go to the user. So I have a video which is pre-recorded, which is says inbound lead personalization. And this is the video I'm going to assign right in here. Just sorry. So I'm going to assign in here, for my any leads, this is the video I wanted to assign. So once this is assigned, then I go to the next step, which is like a landing page. So any video which gets in, which is going to be added to the landing page, who's the SDR? Let's say you can able to configure like different pipes, saying that okay, this comes from the East Coast, the West Coast. So you can configure different SDRs or different AEs from your team who should be able to respond to it. So in this case, I assign a specific team member who's responsible for this, and then you can also configure an email template right within the platform, right? So you want to know which email is suitable. And this is the phase one. We also building one more, which is enrichment, where you can able to figure out, is this from a specific vertical or from a specific designation? Then you can configure different email structures. So I'm just gonna add this email template right in here and just assign it. So once this is done, you could just go ahead and configure your workflow. That's as simple as that. Once your workflow is set, you just then it's going to be instantaneous. You get a lead, it picks the name on the email, it picks the corresponding video, it creates the respective informations, and it sends them an email. You're literally looking at less than 5 minutes. A lead gets an email with a video in it. That video can be personalized, which means the video is going to call their name. Let's say Joe from xyz.com is the lead. It's going to say that, hey, Joe, welcome to your platform. This is what we have put together for you. That's how personalized you can go. You can further amplify it based on designation, based on industry. So it just becomes super personalized. All those videos goes along with your calendar. So which means you know that, okay, this video is with the calendar. They can able to book the time for the next conversations, or you wanted to lead them. And imagine type of data you're going to be seeing it. And then you can configure a nudge framework saying that, okay, great, this lead has watched it, so which means their curiosity is higher. Why don't I just pick the call and speak with them? So that's how this whole workflow is going to go. You can able to convert your inbound leads into an active sale. You can doesn't need to wait for 42 hours or a manual intervention. You can make personalization, you can make videos, you can make far more data. Give it a try. If there's anything else you feel we can be of your help, you always know, reach out to us. Cheers. Bye bye.